Godrej Smart Care, professionals at your call.
This is Magnus 7.5 kg machine. Program button, delay button, start button, power button and water level. So first we will start with program button. So press power on. Okay, so by default the machine is selected at auto program, and this is the sequence of operation, that is soak, wash, rinse and spin. So first machine will perform soak, then wash, then rinse and spin. Okay, right now wash, rinse and spin LEDs are glowing. It means machine will perform wash, rinse and spin only in auto program. Okay, so now I want to select another program. So press the program button again. So now in auto, soak will be added in the program. By pressing again, regular LED is glowing, it means this is regular program. Again, wash, rinse and spin will happen. So when you press program button again, soak will added. Similarly, strong plus soak, quick wash. This is the quickest program, that is 32 minutes of program, which includes wash, rinse and spin. And this is quick wash with soak. So remaining time will be added for soak time. Sport wash plus soak. Gentle wash, gentle plus soak. Rinse only. In this case, machine will perform only rinse, not rinse plus spin. So if you want to add rinse and spin also, so again press program button. So rinse and spin LEDs are glowing, it means machine will perform rinse plus spin. Spin only. In this case, machine will perform spin only. Okay. This is the delay button. So we can delay our program by selecting any program, and if you want to start the program after some time, so we can select this delay button. So we can select 1 hour to 9 hours. Dot means delay is not selected. Okay. And for manual, if we want to add water manually, then select low, medium, high as per load. By default, machine will check the capacity of the load, and it will take water based upon the load. That is fuzzy logic, which is built in this machine. So for starting a program, press power button and start the program. So right now this LED is glowing and all these high, medium, low LEDs are glowing. It means machine is taking the load. Okay, so based upon this load, machine will take water level automatically. Okay, so now there is no load in this machine, so machine has selected minimum level, and the remaining time is 51 minutes. Wash LED is blinking, it means wash is happening right now. So after wash, rinse will blink, then spin will blink. So with these LEDs we can identify which operation machine is performing. Okay, after filling the water, machine will start automatically. So right now this minimum LED is glowing, it means this is blinking, it means machine is taking water. So when the water level is reached as per the desired load, then this minimum LED will steady.